So in my desktop directory, I have 5 files. If I cut out the content of file 1.txt, I can see it is written this is a very important file. Delete this file after reading. So if I use the command sudo space shred space dash v for verbose space dash n and specify the number of times the file needs to be overwritten, I will specify 5 space the name of the file, which is file1.txt, and press enter. And I can now see that the file has been overwritten 5 times. So now if I cut out the content of file1.txt, I can see the file contains random data and this cannot be read by anyone. But the file is not deleted yet. We have just overwritten the file with random data 5 times. If we want to delete the file, then we have to specify the -u option. So I will type the command sudo space shred space -v for verbose space -u to overwrite and delete the file space the name of the file, which is file1.txt for me, and press enter. I can now see the -u command has overwritten the file first and then finally removed it. You can combine the -u and the -n option at the same time to more securely delete a file. Let's look at some more other options. So if I cut out the content of file2.txt, I can see the file says do not share this file with anyone. So if I use the command sudo space shred space -v space -z space the name of the file, which is file2.txt, and press enter, -z option will first overwrite the file with random datas, and in the last overwrite it will add zeros so that the shredding is hidden and the file appears to be empty. So if I cut out the content of the file2.txt again, I can see nothing is being shown and the file is empty. But the file is not deleted yet. So to delete the file, we have to specify the -u option. So I will type the command sudo space shred space -v for verbose space -u to remove the file space -z to overwrite the file with zeros space file2.txt and press enter. And now I can see the file2.txt is removed. And now I will show you one final command. This is the command that you should be using all the time, and this is the only command that you need. This command will be the combination of all the options that we have seen this far. So the command is sudo space shred space -n space 5 to overwrite the file 5 times space -v for verbose space -u to remove the file space -z to overwrite the file at the end with 0 space. I will specify one more extra option that I have not shown you until now, which is the -f option. F stands for force. It will forcefully remove the file even if it has restrictive permission. Space the name of the file that you want to delete. I will delete file3.txt and press enter, and file3.txt will be removed. and you can be guaranteed that this file can never be recovered. So this is the only option that you have to remember. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.